Thank you for purchasing the Just Add Lightness LED rear number plate light. Here's a short guide to help you with a successful installation. This is a comprehensive kit, including everything you need to install your new LED light. The new lighting unit is pre-wired, ready for install. Nuts, bolts and quick connector are also included. The first step is to remove the single screw holding on the casing. Remove the black and the clear covers. Using an 8mm spanner, remove the nuts from behind the original lighting unit. Once removed, this will release the light away from the car's frame. Cut the 12-volt wire going to the original light as shown. Remove the old light completely. Take your new LED light and feed both wires through the right-hand hole. Push both bolts through the lighting unit to secure to the car frame. Attach the white earth cable to the car's near side screw. Be sure to use a star washer to create a good earth connection. Fully tighten both nuts and bolts. Again, this is important to ensure a good earth connection is made. Carefully strip approximately 2 cm of the original outer casing from the 12-volt wire. Push the original 12-volt cable and the brown cable from the new LED light into the supplied cable connector. Ensure both wires are pushed firmly home and then using a pair of pliers, squeeze the orange circle down until it is as flush as possible. Please note, a liquid will be excreted as you do this. This is normal. The gel inside the connector forms a watertight seal. Test your new LED number plate light by switching on your side or headlights. If the new LED number plate light does not illuminate, then please check the earth and 12-volt connections. Fit the new black LED cover using the screw provided and the cap to finish the job.